Hugh Grant and his wife, Anna Eberstein, have donated £20,000 to James Anderson, who is being dubbed as Britain's kindest plumber. James, 55, has been helping countless vulnerable customers during the cost of living crisis, as well as carrying out repairs free of charge for the elderly and disabled. The Kind Soul set up DEPHER, which stands for Disabled and Elderly, Plumbing and Heating Emergency Response, in 2017, which helps those struggling with food and energy bills. Now James has been rewarded for all of his hard work by Hugh, 63, and Anna, 40, as he took to X, formerly known as Twitter, to reveal the huge gift from the Hollywood couple. He wrote, after speaking privately to Hugh and Anna Grant, "I have permission to share their wonderful Christmas gift to DEPHER. This wonderful and humbling donation of £20,000 will give hope to thousands of people, families and children, especially with the cost of living crisis. They both have my lifetime of respect and love." This isn't the first time the Notting Hill star has donated money to James, as he previously donated £10,000 in 2021. James' generosity gained headlines after he helped a 91-year-old woman with acute leukemia. He posted at the time, "No charge for this lady under any circumstances. We will be available 24 hours to help her and keep her as comfortable as possible." Since then, his team of 12-strong people has unsurprisingly been in huge demand. He previously told the Daily Express, "We are helping around 25 customers a week. That is simply anyone who is struggling and needs our help. We don't discriminate." The number is significantly higher now than it was this time last year, as rising energy, food and fuel prices are making everyday life unmanageable for so many, particularly those on low incomes, with disabilities or elderly.